His eyelids sang quietly often as he walked in happy warmth. Boland's bread van, delivering with trays our daily, but she prefers yesterday's loaves, turnovers, crisp crowns hot. Makes you feel young. Walk along a strand, strange land, come to a city gate. Sentry there, old ranker too, old Tweedies, big moustaches, leaning on a long kind of a spear. Wander through awned streets, turbaned faces going by. Dark caves of carpet shops, big man, Turco the Terrible, seated cross-legged smoking a coiled pipe. Cries of sellers in the streets. Drink water scented with fennel. Sherbet. Wander along all day. Might meet a robber or two. Well, meet him. Colour of MoLI's new garters. Strings. Listen. A girl playing one of those instruments, what do you call them? Dulcimers. He prolonged his pleased smile. Ikey touched that home-ruled sun rising up in the northwest.